Today, we're going to talk about different fiction genres. You'll be able to explain the characteristics of 3 of the different fiction genres and also find some examples of each one. The first one we're going to discuss is realistic fiction. These are made-up stories, but that could happen in real life. Some of the characteristics of this genre are that the setting is a real place, the characters are real people, the things that happen in the story could happen in real life. The problems the characters face are similar to everyday problems, and the solution in the story often helps the reader discover a real-life solution. Here are some pictures of examples of realistic fiction books that we've read. Another genre of fiction is fantasy, imaginary stories that can't happen in real life. Some of the characteristics of this genre are that there's usually a good and a bad character, sometimes labeled hero or villain. There's often magic in fantasy stories or talking animals, and the story events can't happen in real life. Here are some pictures of examples of fantasy books that we've read. The third genre of fiction that we're talking about today is folktales. They are imaginary stories that have been told over and over again over generations. Characteristics of folktales include a good and a bad character, again often labeled as a hero or a villain, magic, talking animals. In folktales, there's usually a lesson connected to the story at the end, and these folktales are usually connected to a country or a culture. Here are some pictures of examples of folktales.